Babes, your life cannot grow if your mindset is staying small. In this video, I want to break down why negative self talk is literally holding you back and how to shift your thoughts and what changes can completely transform your reality. Subscribe to Dollface Society for weekly mindset, glow up, and faith talk. Okay? You guys, negative self talk can either be the success of you or the death of you. Stop thinking small about yourself. You cannot think horrible things about yourself and expect your life to magically change. The truth is, your thoughts shape your reality. And if your mindset is stuck in lack, fear, or self doubt, your life's going to stay there too. I don't make the rules, but what you think you become, what you think you are. We're going to fix this today. If you're new here, my name is Prika, and this is a space for self-confidence, mindset shifts, total glow-ups, and real conversations. If you are ready to level up your life, you are in the right place. Welcome to Dollface Society. Most women don't realize how cruel they are to themselves in their own head. You wake up saying things like, I'm tired, I'm fat, I'm lazy, I'm poor. You say you'll never get that job. You tell yourself you're stuck. I'll never get over this guy. I'll never make this. And then you wonder why nothing is changing. Your thoughts are the soil. If you keep planting weeds, you will never see flowers. If you don't like something, you have to face it, fix it, and work on changing it daily. It's not going to happen overnight. But every time you replace one toxic thought with a stronger one, you're building a new pattern. Think of it like the gym for your mind. Reps matter. One day of positivity will not transform you, but 10 days will. 20 days really will. 360 days really will. Your life will not grow if your mindset stays small. You cannot pray for abundance, but think thoughts of lack. You can't beg for love while telling yourself you're unlovable or you're ugly or no one's ever going to love you. The moment you expand your thoughts, your life expands with it. Okay? So change your thoughts. Work on changing your thoughts. And then you will see that just by changing your thoughts, you have now changed your reality. Every blessing that you want literally starts in your mind first. Do you hear millionaires? They always say, I always knew I was going to be. Our successful people always knew I was going to be. We need to do that. You always knew you were going to be. Okay? Here's your homework, Dollface. Tonight, write down 3 toxic thoughts that you keep repeating about yourself or your life, and then rewrite them into 3 powerful truths. For example, I'll never have enough. The positive truth is, God provides for me daily. I'm not pretty enough. My glow is undeniable. People are obsessed with me. I'm stuck. I'm one decision away from transformation. Read those 3 truths every morning for the next 7 days and watch how God in your life begins to shift. Watch how God shows up for you because you have made those mindset shifts. You can do it. We can do it. We are not staying in lack anymore. It's about to be 2026. Before you know it, the new year is going to be here. We need to be better. We need to do better. We need to think better. We need to look better. And how are we going to do this? Starting here. Knowing that you have the power and the opportunity to change, to become. Okay? Another thing. Something on my lip. Another thing. I know that it's hard when you find yourself saying negative things about yourself, but you need to start paying attention to those things and see how you can change them. For me, I want to lose a little weight. So instead of looking at myself and saying, oh, I don't like how my body looks, I can instead look at myself and say, I'm on the way to being toned. I'm on the way to getting my dream body. The choices that I'm making every single day are going to land me my dream body, and I cannot wait to meet her. It's much better than saying, wow, you're such a fat ass, you know? And this is me to myself, you know? Just having those little mindset shifts that are going to make all the difference. If you guys feel me, and if you guys have been feeling like your mindset has kind of been in the gutter, let's write in the comments, my thoughts are all positive. I'm full of positivity. My thoughts are all positive. I'm full of positivity. I like that. My thoughts are all positive and I'm full of positivity. Because we have to do this together, you guys. We have to become the best versions of ourselves. And it starts with these little things that a lot of the times they seem harmless. They seem like nothing, but they are huge. They mean everything. They mean everything. So write it in the comments. I am positive and my thoughts are full of positivity. So if you've been struggling, just do what I said. Write the three negative things that you've been thinking, and then replace it with something positive. And come back and let us know. Let us know in the comments, what did you write down, or what do you plan on writing down? Even if you don't want to leave this video and write it down, write it in the comments. Let's chat about it. Let's chat about it. What are we going to do better? You know, because when, you know, a year from now, Dollface Society, I want us to look back and say, wow, we really made changes. We really made progress in our life. And look at us now. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me. Right? We want to be on that vibe. We want to be total bad bitches, just living up our dreams. Money right. Relationship on point. Everything's together. You know what? Speaking of relationships together, is I really didn't find my husband, which is my dream guy, by the way. I did not find my husband, my dream guy, until I shifted the way that I spoke to myself. Up until then, I was kind of meeting guys that were dubbing me. Dubbing me? Are you fucking crazy? Yeah, they were. But it was because of the way that I was speaking to myself. Speak to yourself positively. Speak about the things that you want to happen, not about the bad, not about the things that have happened that you aren't happy with. Speak about the things that you want to happen, the changes that you want to see. Even when if you look in the mirror and you're absolutely not happy right now, don't mention it. Mention how you are going to look in 3 months, how you are going to look once you keep staying consistent. Talk about that. Scratch everything else. But like I said, I didn't meet my dream man, my husband, until I started really changing the way that I spoke to myself and the way that I viewed myself. Let's be positive. Let's get it together. Write 3 negative things that you've been thinking. Replace them with something positive, and write me something in the comments. I'm trying to see what's up with y'all. I love you guys. That is today's tea. Sip with it. Glow with it. Stay glossy. Stay flossy. Remember, God is always working everything out flawlessly. I have some big stuff coming, and I want you to be a part of it. So make sure you also go to dollfaceradiance.com and put your email in, because it's about to get real juicy. It's about to get real good. The life that we are experiencing now, it's about to go up 10 notches in the best way possible. All praise to God. Love you guys. Bye.